So moving on to question number 25. In 2016, engineer Vanessa Galvez oversaw the installation of 164 bioswales, vegetated channels designed to absorb and divert stormwater along the streets of Queens, New York by reducing the runoff flowing into city sewers blank, which choice completes the text so that it conforms to the conventions of standard English. So which do you think is the answer? If you said B, yay, that's correct. That's the best answer. Because the convention being tested is subject modifier placement. The choice makes the noun phrase, the bioswales. So over here we have the bioswales, the subject of the sentence, and it places it immediately after the modifying phrase. What is the modifying phrase? It starts here, by reducing the runoff into the city sewers. This is the modifying phrase. In doing so, this choice clearly establishes that the bioswales and not the other noun in the sentence are reducing runoff flowing into city sewers. And A is incorrect. A says the mitigation of both street flooding and the resulting pollution of nearby waterways has been achieved by bioswales, because it results in a dangling modifier. The placement of the noun phrase, the mitigation of, so if you like the placement of the noun phrase, the mitigation of up till waterways, mitigation of both street flooding and the resulting pollution of nearby waterways immediately after the modifying phrase results in unclear modification. The resulting sentence makes it hard to determine what is responsible for reducing the runoff, the bioswales or some other noun in the sentence. And then C is incorrect, because again this one also results in a dangling modifier. The placement of the noun phrase, the bioswales, mitigation, waterways up till there immediately after the modifying phrase results in unclear modification. The resulting sentence makes it hard to determine what is responsible for reducing the runoff, by the bioswales or some other noun in the sentence. And then D is incorrect, because it results in a dangling modifier. The placement of the noun phrase, street flooding, and the resulting pollution immediately after the modifying phrase illogically suggests that the flooding and pollution are reducing runoff flowing into city sewers. So the B is the best one, because if we choose this, we read it like this: by reducing the runoff flowing into city sewers, the bioswales, so the bioswales are the ones which are reducing the runoff flowing into city sewers, have mitigated both street flooding and the resulting pollution of nearby waters. Hope that's it.